Is beerservice.com a great place to start earning online, as it claims here on the front page, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this beerservice.com review, I will give you an inside look and show you exactly what to expect. And let me just reveal right away that it has both pros and cons, but there are some very important aspects you need to consider to find out if it is the right option for you or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service and get paid to sites. So on the front page of Beer Service, it says that they actually were trying to build the biggest service site with lots of ways to earn. So they build up the expectations quite a lot here. So let's now log inside and see if they can live up to these claims. I have now logged into beerservice.com, and let me just reveal right away that this is a legit site. You can actually earn here. But before deciding if it's for you, you need to know exactly how you can then get paid and also what it offers. So I'll go over all that here. But one great thing about Beer Service is it's very easy to navigate. Once you're inside, you can easily over here in the left menu find the ways to earn. You can see there's something called tasks and offer walls. So let's start by looking at the tasks, and this is small task that Beer Service gives you, and in this case right now there is only one for me, and this is where I can get paid to follow Beer Money Forum, because Beer Service is created by the forum called Beer Money Forum, and here you can then follow them on YouTube or Instagram or whatever, and you can see 10 cents by doing that. So it's not a lot you can earn like this, and as of recording this review, this is the only task, but this is the type of tasks you can usually find here. Not something that will give you a lot, but also not something that takes a lot of effort. So let's next go to the offer walls, because this is where you can find the many ways to earn inside Beer Service. And here you can see there's a service tab. There are different offer walls. If you use get paid to sites before, you will probably recognize many of these names because they are offered on many other sites as well. In this case, you can also see that there are no service for me right now. So that is just how it is. That is how it is on most sites where you can take service. There are not always service available. Of course, that's a little bit disappointing since it claims it will try to be one of the biggest service sites, but then you can always go over these different offer walls. All these offer walls have a lot of different offers you can earn by doing. You can see there also are some of the walls that have additional service if you can't find any in the main survey tab. Also, you can see that, for example, here I would get 5 points for downloading this and then using a code to sign up. But some of them you can see here, you have to deposit £200 to actually be able to get the reward. So make sure to read the conditions for each of these offers. Some of them are quite easy. You need to install and open an app, but you also need to reach level 17 within 15 days. So you need to invest quite a bit of time to, for example, get this reward. But just make sure to read them, and then there definitely are a lot of ways to earn here. Compared to many other get paid to sites, it doesn't offer anything special here. You can find these offer walls on many other get paid to sites as well, and also for at least the same reward, or even more in some cases. So yes, it offers a lot of ways to earn here for sure, but the most important thing to see if Beer Service is the right place for you to take these offers, because you can find other places to take the exact same offers. But before deciding that, you need to understand how the payment method works, because that will be a big decider of whether you should join Beer Service or not. So I have now jumped to the withdraw section to explain exactly how that works, because that's when it becomes a little bit complicated. But first I want to make it clear that you can join Beer Service from more or less any country, so that is of course a great thing. But the whole payment system is a little bit strange if you ask me, because as you can see, you can withdraw your earnings already when you've earned $2, which is a very low payout threshold, and that is definitely a big plus in my opinion. I like when the get paid to sites have a low payout threshold so you can get paid faster. But the tricky thing is here that you can see I can only withdraw to what's called BMF points or BMF tokens. That is Beer Money Forum tokens, and that is the forum that is behind Beer Service. So you can't actually withdraw earnings into PayPal or anything else from Beer Service. What you can do is to withdraw it into Beer Money Forum and then have the tokens there. So if you're not a member of Beer Money Forum, you have to sign up there first and then transfer the tokens there. And then from there, you can spend the earnings there on Beer Money Forum, or you can withdraw them from there to, for example, Skrill or Payeer or Bitcoin. But it is a little bit complicated, and in my opinion, it would be way better if you could actually have withdrawn your earnings from here directly into PayPal, for example, or even into Bitcoin, like, for example, Beer Money Forum is offering. But that is not the case, so you need to be aware of that. If you are not a member of Beer Money Forum, or if you do not plan to become one, then there is no need to actually join Beer Service, because you cannot withdraw your earnings. You have to withdraw them through this other platform, which is definitely a big minus in my opinion. But if you're a fan of Beer Money Forum, then it can be a way to get some tokens there. But it's just not as flexible as I think it should be. As you can see, beerservice.com is a legit get paid to site. It has quite a lot of different ways to earn. I do not think it quite lives up to the claim that it's trying to build the biggest and best service site, but it's of course also still fairly new, so maybe it will later. I, however, think it is mostly a claim just to make it sound great, like most get paid to sites say they are the #1 site and all this. But it does not offer anything special compared to many other get paid to sites. But the advantage of Beer Service is, if you are a user of Beer Money Forum, then you can earn here and withdraw those into your Beer Money Forum account and get tokens. But if you are not a user of that forum, then it does not make sense at all to join beerservice.com, because you can't withdraw your earnings then. And that is what I meant in the beginning, that it is very important you understand exactly what it offers to decide if it will be worth it for you or not. If you like Beer Money Forums and would like some tokens for that, yes, then Beer Service is definitely a legit place, and it offers plenty of ways to earn. But if you're not a member of that forum, then you should definitely go for other get paid to sites instead. But if you want even more details about beerservice.com, or if you want to see a list of sites where you can withdraw directly from the sites into your PayPal account, for example, or into gift cards, then I will leave a link to my website below this video so you can check out more information there. So make sure to check that out, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service and get paid to sites.